Ghanaian journalist I been so a former TV3 presenter Michelle Bridget Otu and then there was the wild allegation be about the two Idra at the COVID-19 vaccine about many women who COVID-19 by a once and semi and at the sorry at his vaccine used to be few Udona akasa edieti Udona kasa womo emo edise mpanyinfo awo ansa na ebra ye mampanyin na nandanko Akufo-Addo ne yire Rebecca Akufu na ebi nso yehu John Dramani Mahama former president ne yire Lordina yehu the likes of Yenkofo Bebre Fiasha Snega na Mama Brown ye na naba na mwana mo keka wa womo nso so akwa wo vaccine na ye nua ba Bridget Otu de kotu ni page so se wono so no obekwa akwa wo ne vaccine Quincy na waba abantin de san nsem bi ababetu edwa and allegations ne ejina so all because of ensema ne nua ba bi eka de etre no de ne doctor de man o chima de say ne nua ba no doctor no ka che ne say any points wo COVID-19 vaccine no ABA stand say kwada like your bar ni ma fertility ni de keka eye enti no so wo ba on 23 months ni de keka ehun ade say or de chat ni na abebeto abonten na no na was an year recorded e de eka ho we chemu say COVID-19 vaccine no wo susanso and I say bitimi nya susanso e wo emma so it is like say bitimi nya susanso e wo emma so fa wo mo awodi mu no wo mo awo ensenti mu a ebetimi me ama emma ayoponi according to men say said odi to yana tese sam na etena ebusen for moment go ti said odi nsem no etu edwa no emra na yeba yebeto a ensem no eso.
I got up. I just wanted to go and get my vaccine, and but my friend doctor said it wasn't right. I should wait for the vulnerable groups to get it. You know, people with underlying conditions, the frontline workers. And I thought it made sense. But the second compelling reason why I've decided not to take the vaccine is that my big sister's doctor told her not to take it because she wants to have a kid and that there is not enough evidence to support it. I put that to my Ghana doctor and he said, well, really there's no connection between the immune system, our immunity, which is really the vaccine will work, and our hormones. So I can go ahead and take it when the time is right. But I've still decided not to take it because her doctor has told her not to take it. I don't have a kid as well, so I wouldn't take it out until we have enough evidence to support it. I won't do it. So if you're like me, maybe you shouldn't. But if not, you can take it when the time is right. But wait for the health frontline workers to take theirs first. Okay? Bye.
Na Ghana for say we the mama so atibi mahu the war pa akere no na ochire mu a COVID-19 no ewo ensunsan so say hwehwemu ntimi nko so emfa ma ehun say effect a bitimi nya all those say mpanyinfo bebre abekasa afa ho say bottle na say vaccine no to a ewo mu won hunu effect was so say no be okokota yet tray effect no e de etusu na so COVID-19 vaccine we nko ade effect no enya de say ya tro e de atoso ewo no mu na ebiom nsusu no wo muni evidence I just ade no e safe and I say enye safe and need to know susu say and from the point of view aninu ba no a doctor no echichi so mu de etrebe na chese betimi nya nsusanso ewo ema awodie ewo betimi ama wo mo ago barren enya de se wo betimi akra yefunu na ninu ba no mumpo no wa mumpo no preventing ho say won kon when the doctor preventing say new cancer kokowa na ene wo no a enya de say wa wo dampo no wo no na enkonko masa wo ha no emeto no nti no enya de say wo be wo no dey say we etu dwa no na e ka say we dey anke hu hia so wo de baba bonten ababetu dwa chichi mu se ni sense so no ena ni nua ba this information na mana ko ma ne nka wo no quality no ntu na mo na emu so wo de ba bonten ba be kan fa so bia eni so enu ne bi mu so da na sepa bebre wo ne nsem de abetu dwa no so se wa ya de so wetimi nya bokodo na ba bonten because some no say de ko bu on no be ka se wo mo se ni so no na ya ka se wo so bia eni so say adopter for no enim reason anaasɛ ɛnim nsunsuanso a ɛbɛba ɛde ama temamufo anaasɛ nipa a ɛbɛwɔ na nso so ɛnam sikanibere ne deɛ ɛkeka ho nti wɔn aka wɔn ano ato mu ɛwɔ sɛ ɛbɛde wɔ haw bɛba na wɔn nso so atumi nipa no bɛba ne nan ase na ɔbɛka sɛ wɔn ho mfa me sei na afei ɛkɔ akɔyɛ ɔhaw foforɔ na wɔn a ɛnya sika ɛgye edi ɛno nti na ebinom aka wɔn ano ato nti sɛ wɔnya kokoduro aba abɔnten aba abɛ release such vital information there and then nyame ehwia no dodo na so hu ne say we propaganda issue nti na wo ba abonti aba beka eza say wo hu ne say ye mampani na nadran kwakufa do enam say won support LGBT na won nso so wa beki wa ba abonti aba meki san nsem bi etwe mu a won no say LGBT na be manipa dia kwa hello person meet Satan himself na nti wo ye bibia ede akanehye amanyuku a eti edwa eso ene ebiye mampani ene mwase enu nti na ama wo ba bonten ekasa na abusuafo nkofo ade nche yi nyina moma yehwa de o se obi etimi eka kire ni patient se edru menkonkowo esan se nkwadaa nsensem ne eyi nti no menwa na se ndro no so yi se fi baby ene baaye enti se wo aye nhwehwemu na se that aspect no mentimi anye nhwehwemu amfa endru wo no ma de enti ena no mentimi anye nhwehwemu endru wo no ma wo ede ndro no baaye that it means they are covering something and say they are doing something just to limit Africans and I said they said information about what say or yes said or maybe why pay up Africans and they free or mine emu and I said we are say afana wo put any enti na so say yes up and so say the bread ma say the woman to me wo ye di so ma wo de ho ekwan a na eno no ne kwan so a eno no anan e was said that da ye de ye ni esi mofo no so for edru bia and I say ye bibi memu no ye so so ye betimi aye de na ye hwe ade nso ebiem say de enti na magana anase ebibi man no yempe yankasa ye de yetimi patronize yankasa ye nyoma ebitimi ede akonde etia ya redom ne de keka eye ho na da ne da ye depende ewa amahodo eso abusenfo wutie nsem abidi so to dia babeto edwa from wo ye ni nuaba na doctor efuto wo de ema no enwo also then abitimi akadia from still na yenkoso a enwo anase obia ni gidie ento obia en looking up to the faith na wontu na namo emfa for I didn't show far and say me who ever today or too much in your comment section if people like the videos not share or all the social media platforms and so if it's capa and it doesn't you share